There's nothing wrong with you. I mean, they didn't say anything about it.
What the fuck is happening?
Who the hell is Maria Lopez?
I don't know.
Yo, all your shit is gone. Maybe you got a new office? Or they maybe moved it next to Mike Daly.
Fuck off.
For real? Woo!
What the fuck is happening? Did I get fired?
Huh?
Am I fucking fired?
Nah, I doubt it.
This shit's locked too. What the fuck is happening?
You have keys?
Yeah.
Check.
Oh, no,
You
I
probably
don't-
locked it before you left.
No, I did not lock this shit. I would never lock my desk. What the fuck is happening? That's my shit. But what the fuck is happening?
That's your shit down there?
Yeah,
Well, I guess they forgot those, huh?
I'm scared to death right now. That's all mine.